Basically what you're doing is you're adding staves. And in other notation programs, I believe it's easier, but in this one, remember your palettes, remember your instruments heading, and your properties. Those are the top 3 most important properties or palettes that you are going to use. So for appearance, here's where you go to all of that, and to move up the lines, line distance, all that stuff. But if you wanted to, let's say I wanted to add an instrument here or add a staff. What I would do is I would go to instruments first. If I wanted to delete piano, I can remove selected instruments. But then if I want to add anything, let's say I want to add piano to this, you can either double click, or add instruments to score with the arrow, click, and it should give you the piano ones that are fully usable, ready to go.